Hello, my name is Caitlin Stowe, and I'm the Clinical Research Manager for PDI Healthcare. I'm excited to be participating in this AORN Virtual Expo with PDI. As an infection preventionist, I have been involved with the implementation of practice guidelines and the difficulties that can sometimes be encountered. In this presentation, I'm going to highlight a couple of the new recommendations from the AORN Surgical Attire Guideline and ways that you can achieve compliance. Stethoscopes and mobile devices have long been an issue for infection preventionists. However, the new AORN Guideline for Surgical Attire now addresses and makes recommendations around the cleaning of those specific items. As you can see, all of these items must be cleaned with an appropriate cleaner according to their manufacturer's instructions for use. Hand hygiene and the appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE, should also be used to further minimize contamination after cleaning. As Dr. Spruce has previously said, there is moderate quality evidence that demonstrates that cell phones, tablets, and other personal handheld devices are highly contaminated with microorganisms, some potentially pathogenic. Further supporting this issue, an article in the Journal of Bone and Surgery found that 83% of orthopedic surgeons had pathogenic bacteria on their phones when they entered the OR. In addition, 17% of physicians reported never cleaning their devices, which is extremely concerning when 86% of clinicians reported using a smartphone during the course of their workday. Stop and think about it. When was the last time you cleaned your screen? To help combat the contamination of these touchscreens, researchers recommend regular cleaning of these devices. And along with the new AORN guidelines, these recommendations beg the question to be addressed. What is the cleaner that's appropriate for these items? That's where PDI Easy Screen Wipes come in. Easy Screen Wipes are a 70% isopropyl alcohol cleaner. This means that not only is it able to clean most mobile devices and touchscreens in healthcare, you're also able to clean other pieces of personal attire when following the manufacturer's instructions for use. Using Easy Screen Wipes to clean these items before providing patient care decreases the microbial burden on these items and could potentially remove pathogens that could potentially cause infections in patients. In addition, we have great news. 70% isopropyl alcohol is now approved by Apple to clean all the devices you see listed on this table. This means that you can use Easy Screen Wipes on your Apple products without fear of degradation or other issues. PDI Easy Screen Cleaner is approved for a variety of technologies and touchscreens that provide vital healthcare. You can feel confident that using PDI Easy Screen according to the manufacturer's instructions for use will help you protect your staff and patients by removing potential pathogens.